morning. Welcome to your drive Usagazi no Caesar Space. Today it's Monday and I'm chilling with Sbu. Do you still call yourself the sport guy?
No, not anymore.
Why? Why not?
No, man, you like how you don't call yourself Pride the DJ or something? You know
No,
how
I'm
you used to call yourself you used to call yourself Pride the DJ or whatever. You used to have very fast hands and do some stuff back in community radio back then, DYR days and stuff. Yeah, but I dropped Sports Guy Sbu, but it's still there on my social Twitter and Facebook, right? I still have that.
I think
But I don't
about
call
abaningi bakwazi ngalelo gama kudala, right?
Yes, because obviously that's when I introduced myself in the industry. Then I wanted to be that guy who makes sure if you want sports, you go to that guy.
Yeah.
But I think I've solidified myself fully in your department, saying I go to the Sports Guy Sbu, so just go back. Because it's so cool, huh? You know, you go back to who you are. Like,
Yeah, 100%.
And you would know.
Yeah.
You would know.
Sbu ngintroduce kuwena via DYR.
Yeah.
Right? And ubusafika usayintwana umncane.
Yeah.
Sonke bese radio thina abanye because we wanted to be on radio senza ama 3-hour shows and so on and so forth.
Sure.
And then when you uqhamuke ne sports.
Yeah.
Like why sports? Why out of everything to the sports?
Tell you what, because I've always wanted to do a radio. I mean, a radio is always the thing.
Yeah.
I would say I come from like a media family wise.
Yeah.
With the majority of it's Jagube radio, and then there's print involved and everything. And lucky enough, I went through all those that route. In radio, I've always wanted to be there, but then I realized it's hard to get into radio. I need to find a way to get in, and reading news was not my thing. I don't like news anyway. So then I decided I love sports, and funny enough, actually, I remember in radio DUT we were looking for a sports producer.
Yeah.
Right. I was still in tertiary. I was in my second year. I had no Nkule. No, a girl couldn't do anything. I woke up with Nkule. Then Nkule. Then I applied. Send my things to him. Then Nkule. We are a couple of days later. So I'm sorry, they don't need me anymore.
Wow.
But then he said, you know what? However, DYR is coming back to to the airways, and they're looking for a sports team. So do a demo, send it to Meg Dlamini, the great Meg Dlamini.
Yes.
Imagine having to send my demo to Mundo in case growing up. Meg Dlamini and just CC me that pop, and then that's it. So I remember when I got that email or the response. I think it was a Wednesday.
Yeah.
I was in the SLC. I remember that time I used the SLC office. So when people want to do a demo, whatever, I just walked into that room, laptop me, wrote my script, I recorded through my laptop.
Wow.
Then I sent to Umek within 5 minutes replied, "What's he likes what he's hearing."
What?
What? Bro, I couldn't believe it. But anyway, then that happened. And he'll be in contact. I gave him my grandmother's number because I didn't have a phone at that time. I had lost it.
Yeah.
I had lost it, and then and then then on a Friday evening, there's a meeting that we need to come to the following day on Saturday. Then I went there. Then I met guys like Nick Tatum, Kule was there, and then obviously Mag, and then another guy called Junior.
Yo, okay.
Angmas Bailey Marjanai.
Oh, Junior.
Not Junior Panza, they're not Junior we know.
Okay.
The other guy Junior who was doing sports now.
Oh, okay.
So we went to a meeting, and then there was this DYR meeting where everyone was just introducing each other.
Yeah.
So I mean, I'm confused. Why are we introducing each other? Because we're here for a meeting, and I'm not sure are we in or not.
Oh yeah.
So I asked this guy, does it mean that we are in?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are in. Like, oh really?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sbu. I said hi, I'm Sbu. I do sports. Welcome.
Yeah.
Cool. That was it. Started doing the weekend breakfast.